Light workers, healers, earth energy workers, all living beings. The time is now. Shine.
Many Ashe family. This is Cosmic Shaman Rin. Namaste! I see you on the cosmic tapestry of truth and healing. Get outside, enjoy nature. Mother Terra is calling you. She says step into your origins, get back to the organic version of who you are, the highest version of self, and live in residential grace and honor of being a human on this beloved planet. Many Ashe, love and light to all living beings. Cosmic Shaman Rin. Stay the course. Many Ashe. It's so wonderful to be alive. Cosmic Shaman Rin. Stay the course. Peace, love, and light. Truth. Cosmic Shaman Rin. Stay the course. Out here, getting some of these solar light codes. Getting some of that vitamin D. You know what I mean? Should be out here experiencing everything that Mother Kai, Planet Terra, has to offer us. Tell us 3 is on course to continue again. Cosmic Shaman Rin. Peace, love, light, and destiny, and truth.